Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you create second Facebook profile with the same email on Android phone. So it is very easy to create second Facebook profile with the same email. So for that, at first just launch Facebook. Now after launching Facebook, just click the top right share icon, this one. And after clicking it, here you can see there is a create another profile option. Just click on here. After clicking here in the bottom, here you can see get started, click on it. Now you can just give the profile name. Now after giving it, just click on continue. Now you can just give a username from here. After giving the username, just click on continue. Now just clicking create profile in the bottom, you can just create another Facebook profile by the same email. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.